Hey guys, welcome to Apartment H. This is our little area where we watch a lot of movies. This is my favorite spot right here just because we have the nicest couch in the whole campus, I think. We have some decorations like our little orchid just to make it feel more homey. We have some lights because we're scared of the dark, so we put a little bit of spark in there. And we also love Christmas, so we have our big TV, which came from my mom, so thank you, Mom. Then we have some cozy blankets in our little cute basket from Target. We have our little bean back here for extra people that just want to sit. It just goes with our theme, that it's like space theme, I guess. Then over here we have our counter. You get 4 chairs, which pretty comfy. You get a kitchen where you can cook, bake, anything you want to do. A fridge and a microwave. And of course we added a Brita in here because, you know, clean water, who doesn't need that? Then you can come this way, and this is my room. So normally it comes with a little shell here, but I decided to put it where my shoes are. Of course, Baby Yoda stuff everywhere, as you can see. I got more over here. This is for the door. It's a 3D printed door holder. And my Cricut. That's my favorite part of my room, my Cricut, of course. But yeah, it's really spacious. This is my comfy bed. And then my closet. You also get a sink for yourself, so you're not fighting with your roommates about who's going to the bathroom, who's not, who's showering. So that's pretty cool. Talking about the bathrooms, at the end of the hall, you have a bathroom that you only share with another roommate. You get a cool shower that you can decorate. Let me show you something cool too. Of course, a Baby Yoda sponge, because who doesn't need one? And then we have more Baby Yoda decoration to make it feel more homey. And then you have your toilet area. No more Baby Yoda stuff, but it's okay. Then you have in here it's like your deposit where you put all your cleaning stuff, which I did. We put a little fridge for waters. And then, you know, you gotta pass every 2 Tuesdays, they do room checks. And we passed every single one this year. So, first for that. And yeah, this is Apartment H.